The photo booth's on. Ellie, we're so doing this. Ellie, come on. You broke my camera. I want new pictures of us.
How does this work?
You just follow the instructions, I think. Should I do it? No, you know what? You do it.
And off we go.
Ooh, themes. What are you gonna pick?
What's cool look like?
How's that guy cool?
Well, he's wearing shades, and he's a bunny.
Touché.
No, let's go back. Let's try friends.
Wow, that's adorable. I'm the frog.
You can't choose a character.
You're the rabbit.
Gotta go with the frog. Oh, okay, smile. As an angel. Okay, something creepy. Dinosaur! Oh no!
Oh, let's make an ugly face.
Okay. Pufferfish.
Okay, let's make a silly face.
Okay. Oh, it's all done. All right. Hey, there we are.
We look stupid.
What's a Facebook?
Maybe it prints our faces in a book? Oh, we can just print our pictures. Oh my god, I can't believe it's actually gonna work.
I know.
Hit retry.
Okay. What? Oh, come on. Fuck you.
Maybe if we pivot up here. Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh. I think we did too. So... You want to keep exploring? Hell yeah.